Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. It's early morning. It's Ramadan day 9. Yeah, it's going really nice. I love this month and I'm enjoying. Here I'm just making breakfast, making some paratha for Sahur, to start my fasting. Yeah, for me and Ramin. So that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing great. I just like to make vlogs for you guys, and I would like to thank everybody for supporting my channel and for all the love. Yeah, so I'm having green tea with that paratha. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, I'm back in the car and outside it's raining. It's beautiful. I love rain and I enjoy rain a lot. That's why I came out. So we're gonna get maca, and then we're just gonna go to Winners or maybe dollar store because I need some stuff from there. If you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe and join my YouTube. Yeah, so let me know in the comment if you guys enjoy rain as well. Let me show you guys outside. It's so beautiful. Hi. I end up coming to dollar store. I need few stuff from here, so I thought I would share with you guys. Yeah, it's not dollar store, it's Dollarama. So I think it's the same thing. Wow, this is something new. They have glass straw, which is nice. I'm gonna get one of this. Also, I need these ones. These are awesome for the sink. I have the other ones, but these ones are super helpful. I'll get 2 of these. And I'm in need of these gloves. So let me get one of these, but I don't see the size. Oh, this is large, actually medium. I think I'm gonna get large, so it's easy to put on and remove. And then what else? Oh, I also need something else from here. I think I need these ones. Yeah, this one. Last time I got the from one, but now let's see. So actually I'll get this one. Yeah, one of these. This section is so beautiful. I love it. Wow. A few stuff from here as well. They're like pretty awesome. Look at these brushes. This is really nice for traveling, and also that roller, facial roller is nice. We're here to get some bread. So this is Asia Kitchen. True Taste of Afghanistan. That's awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna get some bread, and then yeah. Mommy. So Ramin went to get some bread. Ajan. Quick little haul. So from Dollarama, this is what I got. I got this one, and I got 2 of these. I also got this one, and these straws are great for one-time use. And this gloves I got in large size. And I also got this one. This is great as well. And I got one of these, as well as this one. I had a big one of this, kids just broke it, so I had to get this one as well. And I got one of this. Rami likes this one, and I got this one for kids. And I got this for Maka. He loves drawing and writing, so I got this one. I think it's super cute. Stop it, right? We get this from this bakery. This time we got the white. Usually we get the hoodie. But yeah, I'm gonna pack them and put them in the freezer.